yeah, we just took it for a drive around the block on the original settings here, and oh, it just scrapes like crazy all the way across here. It's a big pile of rubber's built up right there. It's scraped off. So it's like I say, you can't. The car is totally undrivable as it sits right now. So that's your 4-inch drop for you. Bad, just bad. Too much, at least with these tires. What do we got to do next? Jack it up. Yeah. Do this one. I think that'll work. And of course, get the radio on. Yeah. All right, let's get going. So there we go. We got a tire off. Got this opened up. Got a box of tools. Put some WD-40 up here in the top ones. Where's the nut? There you go. WD-40 on those guys. Over there as well. Let's take a look in here. Can we see anything? Alright, that one's got to come undone. It's got a little bit of tab. That one's got a tab. Where's the other one? Yeah, this one's got a... Where's my video? There it is. Yeah, that one's got a tab too. Alright, maybe a little WD-40. Don't know how this is going to go. We're going. You rolling? Yep. Alright, I've got one out. Not too rusty. All three of them popped loose pretty easily. Alright, this one's loose. All three. Alright.
And the rotor drops.
Alright, now we got to bang on a little bit. Figure out what to do to get it loose. Alright, well, it all came apart real easy. No real rust problems here. Nothing was stuck down in this area. So, all we got to do is pop it loose at the top now. Right. Alright, there it is. Dropped right out. There's no play in the top. Bearings are all solid. Makes a little bit of noise. Maybe put some grease on that when we put it back together again. But there it is. Boot's busted. That's okay. I'm not supposed to run that when we put this back together anyway. Alright, so there it is. Kind of hard to pull it apart. It's got a lock washer on there. It's really tough. But eventually pop loose. Got a little bit of crud and grass and stuff got down in there. There's a piece of paint. I don't know where that came from. Original bearing. It's all original to the car. A nice piece of spider web and stuff down there. Beautiful. Get all that out of here. Can't be afraid of spiders. You want to work on your car, you know. But there it is. Spins, works, no play. Should go back together real well. This one fits right on top there. This guy fits on top of that piece. Down at this end, got a little washer fits down there. Got a little washer fits on the bottom of that guy. And there goes the plate, like that. So that's about where we stand right now. Alright, here's the issue that we've run across. When we took our spring compressor and we popped it on the coils, my nephew said that we were at the absolute maximum, so as far as he could go was about right here and right here. And the problem you get in is because these coils are smaller than the outside coils, it pulls the bars in like this. Then they end up not clearing up here and down here, and there's other issues. We can just barely get the nut on at the top. So what we're going to have to do now with it temporarily nutted up at the top is release the thing again, reposition these things a little bit further out, and then compress it again to finish the installation. So inconvenient, but that's what we're going to have to do. Okay. Alright, who knows how much later it is. We went out and did some fishing while we had this thing installed, but they got it cranked on. It's not totally bolted in here at the top. We gotta tighten that nut down right there. but as you can see, it's got a bit of a curve. Kind of curves like this, so it's very tight in there. Might have to adjust a little bit down at the end over there. And what was that, $56 with tax? Mm-hmm. 56 with tax. But it's done. It's kind of hot. The sun has come out. I'm not going to do any more right now. We're just going to wait till the sun goes down. Take a break for a while here. Later. Alright, so the sun's going down. We're in some shade over here now. Got our strut. Got the assembly. Hopefully this thing just goes in here nice and straightforward. If it gets stuck or anything like that, I'll pause and video some it. But if it doesn't present difficulties, won't do anything more until it's actually like stuffed in there. So there we stand, back in the garage. Which side did we do? We did that side.
Yeah, passenger side.
Okay, we did that side over there. And the guy who put the strut spring on for us, he was like, I can't really get it strapped in there, so he lowered the thing half inch? What did he say, an inch?
Inch, yeah.
He dropped it an inch from where I wanted it to be. And yeah, it's still squatting down too low, so we've got to take it back out. Of course, that means we got to take this guy. I mean, we didn't even get started on this one. We got to take that one back out too. But I got stuff to do, so it'll be a couple of days. The project continues.